Come test drive the 2024 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice activated navigation system, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.